guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. If you're a returning subscriber, hi. Okay guys, so as you can see by the title, today we'll be doing a St. Patrick's Day makeup themed look, and I will be getting into the Crayon Case matte book. I've been liking this palette a lot lately. So we're actually going to start with this light green shade here. Okay, y'all, so I'm just putting that green shade right in the crease. I did notice that it was super light, so I'm going to go in with the shade right below that, as you're going to see, and I'm just going to use that to deepen it up. And I'm going to go ahead and do both eyes. So now that I have both eyes how I want them, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges so it's not so harsh. So I'm placing it just right up very lightly, just blending it out just to buff those edges out a bit. Okay, y'all, so now that I have it blended out to my liking, I'm just going to get a wet makeup wipe and just basically just carve out my lids. I'm erasing all that eyeshadow off my lid. Sometimes I usually just cut it with the concealer and leave the shadow as is. But I've found out that when I do it this way, it just works better. It's a cleaner look, but you don't have to do it this way. You can just put the concealer directly over the shadow. But like I said, it just makes it a little bit cleaner. Because sometimes when you put the concealer over a shadow, it kind of like gets a little messy sometimes. Okay, so basically I'm just putting the concealer back where I took all the shadow from. I am going to put more shadow there, so obviously I can't put the shadow on top of my bare lid. So I'm just going to put the concealer back, and I'm cleaning up the edges while I'm at it to make sure that it is a clean look. Okay, so I'm going in my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm using that gold shade. Basically, I'm just going to put that at the front of my lid where I've placed the concealer. And I did notice that you couldn't really tell that I had on a gold shadow. It blended in too much with my concealer. So I'm going to go back in the palette, as you're going to see. And there was another gold in there that looked a little bit more, just gave it a little bit more pop. So I went for that, and I felt like it really did give me a pop. Like you were able to tell the difference. I know I was. Y'all see how you can see the gold now? But anyways, I'm going back in that palette, and I'm taking that pretty green shade at the top, and I'm basically just going to place that towards the end. And just I'm making sure to blend where the gold and the green meets, because you don't want that line of demarcation. So I'm just trying to get that all blended, and I'm going to put the green, just fill that out at the end. So I'm going in with my NYX glitter, my gold glitter liner, and I'm just basically carving out the crease. As y'all can tell by now, like, I love a glitter crease. Like, I feel like it brings any look from like basic to bougie. It just makes it look good. Look at it. Like, you can tell the difference. Like, I'm not even done yet, but you can just like tell. Just gave it a little like oomph. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, so as you can tell, I went on ahead and did my face off camera. Right now, I'm just putting my mascara on and putting my lashes on. And then we are going to add some color to the under eye. I'm going to go back in that, in the matte book and use that dark shade and just get some under eye glam going. Okay, y'all, so this is my attempt at drawing a four-leaf clover. So I went through, it looked like a three-leaf clover, whatever that is. And then I kind of had to finesse it a bit for it to get that four-leaf clover look. But you guys will see. I think what I should have did was use concealer first to kind of outline it, but I just went straight for and that's what I've been doing since I started doing like any kind of special effects look where I'm drawing something on my face. I usually just go straight for it and use the lipstick or whatever I'm using to draw it. And I think it will be better to actually use concealer. That way, if I mess up, I can kind of just blend it in and start over. But luckily, I was able to, like I said, finesse it and get it to look how I want it to look. Y'all, I promise at this point, if you see me looking in the mirror, I'm looking like, what the hell are you doing? But like I said, we're going to get it together. We're going to get it together. Just trust the process. Because I had to, because I was about to just erase the whole thing and start over. But I'm glad I didn't. So now that I have it filled out, I'm just going in with that green shadow just to mattify it a bit and brighten it up a bit because the lipstick is already so dark and I didn't want it looking that dark. So basically the eyeshadow is setting it in place and brightening it up a bit. All right, y'all, so I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but I am going to go in with my black NYX liner, liquid liner, and I'm just kind of outlining it to how I really want it to look. And this is what's really going to like put the finishing touches on it. So after we're done outlining it with the liner, we're going to just add some more of the eyeshadow on there just to give it a little bit of more dimension and brighten it up a bit. And I'm basically going to take the same lipstick that I used earlier. This is Leprechaun, I believe. Leprechaun from Life Glam. And I'm just going to use this for my lips. I'm not going to put it all over my lips because I'm going for like a more like ombre look. I'm adding that this nude lipstick. This is also from Life Glam. And I'm just putting that in the center just to get that ombre look I was talking about. And I'm going to go ahead and top that with some gloss. I did that off camera, but I just put some regular clear lip gloss over it. Okay, y'all, so to highlight, I'm just going to go in with the crayon case on a roll. Ooh, that highlight though. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. Also, I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and let me know how y'all feeling this look. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye.